Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect with Super VPN in your mobile phone. I am using an emulator, but the process is the same in any mobile devices. So first of all, you'll have to download Super VPN from your App Store or Play Store, and then you'll have to launch it. So after launching it, it will take a few seconds. You can disable optimization as well. You can get ads like as you can see here as well. You'll have to cross it out, and then you can simply press connect to connect with any VPN that you require. Or also what you can do is you can press on this auto select button to select the location of the server that you want to connect to. So as you can see, they have like 8 servers: France, USA, Canada, Netherlands, UK, Germany, Poland, Singapore, and Japan. When you simply select a location, it will change the server to that location, and you can press the connect button, and then you will have to accept this connection request. Press OK, and as you can see, it will make an attempt to connect, and if the attempt is successful, you will be able to connect with the VPN like this. So this is the process. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.